Did you know babies start yawning in the womb at just 20 weeks? This incredible ultrasound footage shows something amazing happening. Your baby isn't tired. They're actually training their brain for life outside the womb. Each tiny yawn is building the brainstem connections they'll need for breathing after birth. When your newborn yawns frequently, it's a beautiful sign their nervous system is developing perfectly and learning to handle stress. Your little one has been preparing for this moment for months, practicing every single day just for you.